Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to advertise on TikTok and the best settings and how to set up your own campaign. Now the reason you should advertise on TikTok is because almost 50% of users actually said they bought something from TikTok that they saw. Now there is literally billions of users on TikTok. It is one of the fastest growing apps currently. So let's open TikTok Business Manager and let's get right into it. So guys, you're going to want to press the link down below and make a business account for TikTok. Now I'm going to sign in real quick, but it's super simple. So guys, after you have created your TikTok business account, you're going to be wanting to press on campaign. Now as you can see, I do have one campaign already active, but it's actually not spending that much money because it is just getting started. So here's the first thing you want to do. Look at these. Now what would you want for your website? You want conversions. So we're going to press conversions and we're going to move on to the next step. So you can name whatever you want. Let's say I'm going to be selling babies. I'm going to name it babies. Now over here, these all don't really matter. You're not going to really mess with any of these for now. Maybe later on in your ad life, then you can. Now remember, these are just the best settings so that you can get more sales and more visits to your website. So second thing you want to do is press on website and not app because we're advertising a website. Just create your pixel. It's super simple. And basically all a pixel is going to be doing is tracking your progress of your ad so that each of your ads have their own pixel and you can kind of just track your ad. So I'm just going to select whatever pixel I have. Now it's going to say optimize event. You're going to be wanting to press complete payment. Now this basically means that you want to get the sale. The second thing you want to do is for placements, press select placements and unclick both of these. We do not need Pangle or news feeds, app series, buzz video / babe. Now you can do creative optimization, which I actually do if you have multiple videos or multiple descriptions, but that's the only reason you would need it. So we're just gonna uncheck it for this example. Now second thing you wanna do is press custom targeting. You don't need automatic targeting. Instead of all, you're gonna press 18 all the way to 55 plus. So just check all of those. The gender is whatever your product is for. So if it's obviously for beauty or maybe like some sort of makeup, then you're gonna wanna do female. But if it's kind of gender neutral, just press all. Now for audience, these don't matter. For interest and behavior, these all don't matter. I'll tell you what they do. Add interest, it's super obvious what it is. You know, you have these basic little things right here. Appliances, you know, life service. Then you go here, video interaction. So you could edit this if you want, but I don't recommend putting any of this since you were just starting up your ad and you kind of want to see who is best to target. And then later on you can actually switch it. So we're gonna go to daily budget and we're just gonna put $20. Unless you want to spend more, then you can go all the way up to like $1 million. Yeah, you could literally do $1 million.
Chef Melissa, what's for dinner?
But for now, I'm just gonna do 20 because that is the minimum, and I'm not actually gonna be using this ad since I already have one running. Now for day parting, you actually wanna do from 7:30 all the way till midnight. Now people are on their phones at midnight, but who's on their phone at 1 a.m.? You don't wanna be paying for some weird person at 1 a.m. on their phone. What's our goal? Conversions, so that's it. And then best bid strategy, just do lowest cost. Cost cap is kind of just like an average or a max price you want to use for it, but we're just gonna do lowest cost because we want to spend as little money but get as much conversions as possible. So let's press next. It's loading. It's taking a little time. Oh, now what I noticed is if you have a weird profile picture, people are gonna see that and be like, what is that, you know? And it's actually gonna increase your not sales but interactions. So let's say we have this weird girl right here and you watch an ad and you're like, what is that profile picture? Then more people are gonna be interested in your website, maybe go to it. Now what I'm gonna do is single video for this example, but collection ads also are a great way to test multiple videos, and if a certain one works better than the other for website visits, then you're obviously gonna wanna do that one. Okay, so now we have that. And second thing you're gonna want to do is go to website as destination page and put website. Just insert your website here. So I'm just gonna insert the product. Now the third thing you want to do is for this, you want to press on standard and then press shop now. Now this works the best because it literally says shop now. They're gonna see this and be like, oh, shop now. Unless you're obviously advertising like an app or something random. So let's say subscribe. That's like if you're advertising your YouTube channel. Reminds me, go subscribe, guys. Now the second thing I was talking about is the text up here. Almost missed it. But you want to add some funny text that's gonna kind of engage the buyer. So, Mom won't catch me. or like some weird thing that's gonna kind of make them be like, what is that? Guys, after you submit your ad, it's gonna be right here. Now cost per click, you want at least 50 cents or 30 cents. Those are good cost per click. Now this is just cost per 1,000 views. So you kind of can do the math if you don't really get it. So that means cost per click would be like 0.001 cent. But that's because we are not getting that many ads views right now since it's like 4:30 p.m. No one's really using TikTok at this time. All right guys, so I hope you can run your TikTok ads now and start making easy money.
Get the shoes. Get the shoes.
And let me know how it goes with these really good settings that I have given you guys. And I'll see you guys next time.